Hello everyone, we are Surya Prabha. I have seen many people in my life suffering from mental health causes, but they have a fear of sharing their thoughts, their past experiences with others, or they can't afford it, or they don't have proper access to mental health care. So that's why we built Chikitsa.
Out of every 8 person suffer from mental health issues globally, contributing 1 billion people suffering from it. In India, mental health cases have been doubled from 2011 to 2014, impacting 52% of Indian youths, and we have estimated that it is 7 trillion of productivity loss in Indian rupees in the span of 2012 to 2030. If we case about the suicides in mental health, the male suicides are more in compared to female. If we consider the students contribute about 7.2 percentage, and if we check the age wise, then 18 to 45 age group has more likely to suicides in mental health. If we check the mental health causes, then the problems which related to family problems contribute the more in mental health. Illness, drugs, marriage related issues, etc. are the more mental health issues.
There are existing solutions in market like Headspace and Vyasa, which provide AI-driven CBT and DBT support, meditation and sleep support, but they don't provide professional support and human behavioral analysis, which a real psychiatrist would, but also at a higher price. So, seeing all the causes in mental health, issues in mental health, and increasing rate of suicides due to it, we built Chikitsa. Chikitsa offers all the features that previous solutions were providing, but in addition to that, we provide human behavioral analysis through gamified experience and emotion detection. We also integrated non-religious teachings of Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
So this is the process flow of Chikitsa. Once the user has done the onboarding phase, the user has to do the wellness program. At the end of the program, wellness report is generated which describes the mental state of the user. It is shared to the live doctor which will be available on video call basis, and also to the multimodal chat assist. To remove this multimodal chat assist is like a normal chatbot with your complete mental state data. To remove hallucination in here, we have introduced the voice assistant which detects your emotions via webcam and shows it to you. And also we have introduced the gamified analysis which analyzes the user's behavior via playing game and also recording video while when the user is playing game.
Our customers are segmented into B2C, where young adults ranging from 18 to 35 are our main focus. B2B, where companies or educational institutes can provide wellness programs to their employees or students. If we see the Indian market, the TAM is 37 billion rupees and the SAM is 14 billion rupees. And if we see the global market in comparison, it is way much higher than the Indian market. This shows the potential of the Indian market and the potential that we can capture into the global market. The Chikitsa have also won achievements like Google GenAI Exchange Hackathon in 2024, where we were recognized by MITI. Also, Chikitsa is a solution which is validated by many industry professionals like Dr. Manjusha Deshmukh, the principal of Saraswati College of Engineering. We also have 50 plus beta users.
The team of 5 founders and developers and 2 advisory mentors. Be a part of change. Chikitsa, mental health for everyone at everywhere.